Okay, so this is custom exhaust jab speed fitted to Toyota Celica Gen 7. Okay, it's got the silencer on fitted, you know, because it's basically too loud for my wife to drive around without it. So I'm just gonna show you how it sounds like with the silencer. Okay, so that's how it sounds like with this silencer on. And now I'm just gonna show. I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna show you how it sounds like without this silencer. I've got the issues with pronouncing silencer. Probably it's because of the Sunday, you know. Oh, I basically unscrew it before taking it off, because it takes a few minutes, just to get the screws off and everything. So that's the silencer, jab speed. Okay, and I'm gonna fire it up, and you're gonna have a listen how it sounds like without it. That's how it sounds like without the silencer on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this car for a spin so you can hear how it sounds like on the higher revs and everything. So I'm gonna see you in next